A problem is a chance for you to do your best. Hi dear audience, welcome to my channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to change the direct speech into reported speech and the changes we need to make when the reporting verb is in the past tense. If the reporting verb is in simple past, we know that we have to make change when you are changing from direct speech to reported speech. Now let's see what are the changes that we need to make when you are changing direct speech into reported speech. Here you have the reporting verb said or told. This is in simple past. So when the reporting verb is in simple past and the quoted speech is in simple present, then the verb in the reported speech has to be changed to simple past. So remember, simple present has to be changed to simple past. In the same way, present continuous tense has to be changed to past continuous tense when you are changing direct speech to reported speech. In the same way, when the reporting verb is in past tense and the quoted speech is in present perfect tense, then when you are changing from direct speech to reported speech, the present perfect tense which is within the quoted speech has to be changed to past perfect tense. Similarly, if the quoted speech is in present perfect continuous tense and the reporting verb is in simple past, then when you are changing from direct speech to reported speech, the present perfect continuous tense has to be changed to past perfect continuous tense. For better clarity, let us look at some examples. In the direct speech, we have she said, Manju learns music. Now here, which is the reporting verb? It is said. Right. Now within the speech mark, what do you have? Manju learns music. What is this? This you call it as reported speech or quoted speech. Now this quoted speech is in which tense? It is in simple present. Right. When the reporting verb is in past and the quoted speech is in present, then when you are changing from direct to reported speech, you have to change the verb in the reported speech into past tense. Now let's see the answer. Here you have, she said that Manju learnt music. Very simple. Here Manju learns music. This is in present. This present tense has to be changed into past tense when the reporting verb is in past tense. Right? Now let's see another example. Raj said, Kiran is painting a picture. Here, which is the reporting verb? Here, said. This is in past tense. So, change has to be made when you are changing from direct speech to reported speech. Change in the tense, right? Okay. Now, within the speech mark, you have Kiran is painting a picture. Now, this is in which tense? This is in present continuous tense. So, present continuous tense has to be changed to past continuous when you are changing from direct speech to reported speech. Now, let's see the answer. Raj said that Kiran was painting a picture. Right? Now, the most important thing that you have to keep in mind when you are changing from direct speech to reported speech is first look at the reporting verb. If the reporting verb is in past, then changes have to be made in the tense of the verb in the reported speech. Now, since it is in present continuous, you have to change it into past continuous. Okay. Let's look at some more examples. They said, Tarun has watched the movie. Here, the quoted speech is in which tense? The words underlined clearly tell that it is in present perfect tense. Hence, when the reporting verb is in past and the quoted speech is in present perfect tense, the verb in the reported speech should be changed to past perfect tense. So this has watched will become had watched. Now let's see what's the answer. They said that Tarun had watched the movie. Right? Now let's see another example. He said, students have been working hard for the term end exam. Here, have been working. This clearly tells that is in present perfect continuous tense. So, present perfect continuous tense has to be changed to past perfect continuous tense. So, what will be the answer when you are changing from direct to reported speech? Let's see the answer. He said that students had been working hard for the term end exam. So far, you have learned that when the reported speech or the quoted speech is in the present form, you will have to change it into past form when we are changing from direct speech to reported speech. Let's understand what are the changes that we need to make when the reporting verb is in simple past when you want to change direct speech into reported speech. Now let's see the first one. If the reporting verb is in simple past and the quoted speech is in simple past, then the verb in the reported speech should be changed to past perfect. Right? Now, again, when the reporting verb is in past tense and the quoted speech is in past continuous tense, then the verb in the reported speech should be changed to past perfect continuous tense. Right? Now, when the reporting verb is in past tense, then the quoted speech, if it is in past perfect, then you need not make any change. It remains the same. Similarly, when the reporting verb is in past tense and the quoted speech is in past perfect continuous tense, again, you need not make any change. It remains the same. Now here you need to understand when the quoted speech is in past form, you make changes only when it is in simple past and in past continuous. Whereas in these two cases, you need not make change. It remains the same. To understand better, let us look at some examples. Here in the direct speech, you have, she said, Manju learnt music. In this direct speech, can you identify the reporting verb? Yes, you are right. It is said. Now, which is the quoted speech? Manju learnt music. Fantastic. Now, can you identify the tense of the quoted speech? It is in simple past. When the reporting verb is in past and the quoted speech is in simple past, then when you are changing from direct to reported speech, this simple past has to be changed to past perfect. Now let's see what's the answer. She said that Manju had learnt music. See how easy it is. Here it is in past tense. You have to just change it into past perfect. And you have to add the conjunction to connect the reporting verb and the reported speech. That's all. Very simple. Now let's see another example. Raj said Kiran was painting a picture. Now first thing you have to identify the reporting verb. Reporting verb is in past tense. Hence changes are needed. So next go to the reported speech. Now find out this is in which tense? It is in past continuous tense. So when you are changing from direct speech to reported speech, the quoted speech which is in past continuous tense has to be changed to past perfect continuous tense. Now let's see the answer. Raj said that Kiran had been painting a picture, right? Let's see some more examples. Here in the direct speech you have, they said Tarun had watched the movie. Now, when you want to change this direct speech into reported speech, the first thing you will have to do is identify the reporting verb. Here, since the reporting verb is in past tense, you need to make changes, right? Now, go to the reported speech and identify the tense. What is the tense here? It is in past perfect. Do you think changes are needed when it is in past perfect? No, the tense remains the same. Now, let's see the answer. They said that Tarun had watched the movie. Since it is in past perfect, when you are changing from direct to reported speech, the tense in the reporting verb remains the same. Now let's see another example. He said students had been working hard for the term end exams. Again, here the reporting verb is in past tense. So, changes are needed. But here, what is the tense used? It is in past perfect continuous tense. So, do you think we need to make changes in the tense? No, we need not. So, let's see what's the answer. He said that students had been working hard for the term end exams. Remember, when you are changing from direct speech to reported speech, and if the reporting verb is in past tense, and the reported speech, if it is in past perfect or in past perfect continuous tense, you need not make any changes in the tense when you are changing from direct speech to reported speech. If the reporting verb is in past tense and in the quoted speech, if modal is used, then when you are changing from direct speech to reported speech, the modal in the present form has to be changed into past form. Now let's see some examples to understand better. If the reporting verb is in past tense and modal is used in the quoted speech, let's see how to change the direct speech into reported speech. Here you have the reporting verb said or told. And if the quoted speech modal will is used, then this will has to be changed to would. Now let's see the next model. Shall. Shall has to be changed to should when you are changing from direct speech to reported speech. Then you have can. Can has to be changed to could when you are changing from direct speech to reported speech. Again, when you have may within the quoted speech and you want to change from direct speech to reported speech, it has to be changed to might. Now let's see some examples. In the direct speech, you have Rani said They will take part in the competition. Here, can you see the model? And the reporting verb is in past. So this model will has to be changed to would when you are changing from direct speech to reported speech. Now, let's see the answer. Rani said that they would take part in the competition. Here you can see we have changed will to would, and the connector is used to connect the reporting verb and the reported speech. Now let's see another example. My mother said, I shall meet my friends. Here again you have the model and the reporting verb is in past. So shall has to be changed to should. Now let's see the answer. My mother said that she should meet her friends. Here we have in direct speech, Raj said Kumar can solve the problems easily. Now, what is the reporting verb? It is said and it is in past tense. And what's the model used here? Can. So, when you are changing from direct speech to reported speech, the model can has to be changed to could. Now, let's see the answer. Raj said that Kumar could solve the problems easily. See, what's the change we have made? The model can is changed to could. It's very simple to change from direct speech to reported speech if you remember the rules. Now let's see another example. They said the teacher may conduct a surprise test. Here the reporting verb is in past. So change has to be made. Now within the quoted speech we have the model may. So when you are changing from direct speech to reported speech, may has to be changed to might. Now let's see the answer. They said that the teacher might conduct a surprise test. Hope this video was useful to you. Keep practicing for better results. In my next video, I'm going to tell you the rules to change the pronouns and the rules for changing important words when changing from direct speech to reported speech. So, don't miss the video. Thank you for watching and keep learning from GDR Gambit.